It's official. Ford Bronco production is now shutting down. Starting when? For how long? Here are the answers. Up until now, Ford has done its best to navigate its way through the ongoing semiconductor chip shortage without causing harm to its most anticipated new SUV in years. The reborn Ford Bronco has already been delayed, one supposedly due to other supplier-related issues, and the first batch of customers' deliveries are due to get underway this summer. That remains on schedule. What changed is that the Michigan assembly plant in Wayne, Michigan, home to both the Bronco and the Ranger midsize pickup truck, will be shuttered later this month. Specifically, for the week of May the 17th and May the 24th, this 2-week shutdown was not a part of the previously scheduled downtime for several other North American plants, which remains on schedule. Those plants include the Chicago Assembly, Flat Rock, and Kansas City home of the Explorer, Mustang, and the F-150 respectively. The Ohio Assembly plant in Avon Lake will only build Super Duty chassis cabs and medium duty trucks through the week of May the 17th. It will be completely shut down the following week. Kansas City also builds the up-and-coming e-Transit electric van. It'll operate just a single shift during the week of May the 31st and June the 7th to finish early builds. Now, despite the Bronco plant downtime, Ford wants it to be made very clear initial sales won't be impacted. It's a very good possibility that Ford made the strategic decision to divert those crucial chips from other assembly plants to the Bronco factory, specifically to keep pumping them out at a consistent pace in order to meet the summer deadline. Now, less popular vehicles were sacrificed until more chips arrive. Conserving dwindling chip supplies is now the name of the game for all the automakers. And it boils down to favoring more profitable vehicles like trucks and SUVs. Even so, there are thousands of brand new F-150s sitting in massive parking lots outside of Detroit. They may look ready to hit the road from the outside, but they all lack chips. No, not potato chips. We're talking about the chips, you know what we're talking about, that controls the system, such as navigation and Bluetooth. And hopefully, Bronco plants downtime will be limited to just 2 weeks and no more. But unfortunately, the chip crisis may not be over until early next year. You guys, this is A Automotive Reviews, and it's official. The Ford Bronco production is shutting down. The plants are being shuttered. Yes. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Hey, you guys. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for coming to the channel. And I appreciate your time. Have an awesome and fantastic day. And thanks for coming by.